Join us today as we close up, hitch up, and hit the road for what should have been a quick 3 hour travel day that turned into a stressful 5 hour day between traffic, roadside repairs, and rain. Come along for the ride.
Brake, left, right, blink. Door is locked, handle in. Jacks are all up. Oop, these are not locked. Always while you go around and do a final check. Jacks up. 7-pin is in. Brake cable's attached. And into the truck. Let's go. Hi.
You caught me eating my sandwich.
Travel day lunch right there.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Wait for me, wait for me. Wait for me. I thought you were going to leave me.
I wouldn't leave you. I might make you run a little further, but I wouldn't leave you.
Let's go.
Weather stripping is flapping in the wind. Okay, so we found a place to stop. Take a look at this weather stripping that has managed to now come off all the way from the front all the way to the end. I bet the winds just caught up underneath of it and just tore it on out.
Yeah, we've had a problem with it right here anyway,
Yeah,
falling out.
well, at least this is an easy fix. It's not like a bolt backing out of your pitch like we had in Arkansas.
Right. Yeah, that was scary.
Yeah. We probably put some tape on it maybe to help hold it in, because otherwise I bet it just comes back out again.
As easy as it's going back in, probably, because it's pretty loose.
Yeah. See, it's already popping out right there again.
Yeah, it's popping out of here too.
Yeah. Is this side that way at all? No, this side actually has stayed in fine.
Well,
You want to put tape on it up there, maybe at the corner at least?
probably. Need to get into the garage. I think painter's tape probably first.
Yeah, painter's tape,
I know
guess.
it's blue, but it's not going to leave any residue as the other ones will.
True.
We want to go just down the side and fold it over.
Maybe across here, here, here for extra going across of it, I
This
think.
one here.
Yeah. There you go.
Well, the good news is we're not on the side of the road doing this.
Yes, exactly.
Now we'll drive down the road and the blue tape will flap in the wind.
Hopefully not.
All right, you think we need to do this way too?
Yeah. Well, maybe not. That's actually pretty good right there. There's always something.
Don't let me forget these pieces of tape on my truck.
Okay. It just makes Louis match hope.
No, red and blue don't mix.
Oh, I guess you're right.
And my family and friends will know what I mean when I say that. Let's hit the road.
On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. Yeah, there's that reason I got the day job still. Don't join the traffic is not moving very fast up here. Well, at least we got the weather stripping fixed before the rain.
Yeah, so, I mean, as far as everything considered, we weren't on the side of the road and it wasn't raining, so I think we got lucky.
These people are going to cause an accident.
This is the most discombobulated thing I've ever seen.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to Illinois.
Welcome to Illinois. Well, we got here and set up just in time. The rain has begun, but Frank is still outside. He is doing a quick dump after a travel day to go ahead and dump again. It gives everything a good zhuzh. Here, cheers after that day.
Cheers. Very long, stressful day.
It was quite stressful.
Could have been worse.
You're not wrong. It could have been much worse.
Yeah, by us unhooking, that's going to make it easier to get gas or to fill up the truck in the morning.
This is true. Yeah, because we could just go to the pumps just right out here in front of us instead of going around. Well, no, to use your TSD card, you have to go to the back anyway. So, but
Right.
still, we don't have to be hooked up when we go back there.
Nope.
We can still use it. Is it staying stuck on?
It seems like it. We look like Sanford and Son going down the highway. Got a tape on a camper.
We got it. We got
I don't know if y'all like Sanford and Son, but I grew up watching it, so you know what I mean? Leave a comment below.
You better be glad that I love you.
I'm glad you do.
I got my hat while I was in there.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I didn't have my hat earlier.
Did you bring me a beverage?
I did.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You're the best for supporting my habits.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would do this again. So far, I mean, you can't blame Loves for the weather. Easy in, easy out. Convenient, good street light. So, I mean, it's a give and take. You want brightness to keep people away from your rig, but then again, you want the darkness so you can sleep.
No, you're not wrong there.
So it's just a give and take.
We'll see. In the morning, we'll be able to tell for sure, and as to whether we want it or not, whether we'll do it again or not. So far, in my opinion, I think that if we needed a place to stop and there really wasn't a campground around, I think we would.
Yeah.
Look at what just pulled in front of us, or beside us. And she said that we could take a look. Let's take a look inside. So it's a layer.
We bought it in Canada,
Okay.
Ottawa, Canada, and it's made off of the trillium mold.
Oh, okay.
So it's just
So it's a step up from tent camping,
yes.
but bigger than if you did a teardrop or something like
Right,
that.
right.
Because I mean, you've got the dedicated bed area. Or does that fold up to where it can
Yeah, you can have it fold up just like this does, and this is also a bed. So that company has an option where you can have a couch and 2 beds here. This is great for storage. It's amazing how much you get up there.
Oh, fantastic.
And you can also have a bathroom here if you prefer. But we like having a dinette, and we're usually just close to a shower anyways.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
And it's got AC. It's got a little microwave in there. The only thing that you're missing then is really a cooktop.
You can get a cooktop, but we chose
okay.
not to because we don't do a lot of cooking. We just freeze meat, stick it in the little freezer.
So you prep ahead.
And prep ahead, yeah.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
I love that. Do you have a favorite camper meal that you like to prep ahead?
Well, we almost always just eat Mexican, hamburgers, chicken that's prepared ahead, and then a salad. So, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for letting us take a look inside.
Well,
it is so cool. I mean, It's about the size of what a casita is, but it's a little more
It's
squared off.
it's
and I think a
14
little
foot,
taller.
and that little thing on the back becomes a table. You can see that later, I guess. I don't know if we'll set it up.
Well, thank you for letting us take a look.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Brooklyn decided to peek its head out. Yay!
Yeah, hopefully it stays here and the rain's done.
Yeah.
Customer 76. Your shower is ready. Please proceed to shower 3.
We've got a little bit of everything here.
You never guess what I found.
What'd you find?
Peanut butter and jelly M&Ms.
It's peanut butter and jelly time. Look at these little cups.
Yeah. 66.
That's really cute. Miniature backpacks. So Frank told me that we have our mysterious leak back again. After we got to Michigan, about 3 weeks after we had been stationary, we had a leak in the same exact spot. Well, there's nothing that we can do about the leak now. We've got the appointment already with Grand Design, so
Right.
we'll just leave it at that. You want to take a walk around a little bit?
Yeah, it sucks getting old. Crawling under there, checking it out. I got something that tweaked in my lower back area. I don't know what I did, but if I'm hobbling, that's why.
It actually was a pretty quiet night, I think.
I think so too. I slept like a baby.
Well, I did until I woke up about 3:30 in the morning, but that's just me and my quirkiness.
Yeah, I would do it again.
Yeah.
There-
For sure. I felt
yeah.
safe. I didn't have any problems.
There's no reason not to do it.
Right.
Like it talked about yesterday, expense is a little high. However, yeah, I'd definitely give it a, a good thumbs up. It's Frank approved.
Yeah. It looks like we got a couple more neighbors over here on our side. Everybody liked this side. Probably because it's the furthest away from the entrance of the Loves down there. But really there wasn't any loud vehicles. You didn't hear any of the semi trucks or anything like that. And if you sleep with your AC on or a fan, I mean, it's perfectly fine. I had no troubles going to sleep. Oh, well, I thought this little thing was going to tell us a little more. But we've just got signs inside of a building. I thought it was going to be a little check-in area, but I guess you do it all online now.
Yeah, it's 100% online, and that's what that QR code's for. So if you've lost your email or didn't get it, and you still have a confirmation, you can scan that QR code and it will check you in.
Okay. They do have a nice dog park if you've got a dog. They've got 2 separate areas, it looks like. They've got one for the larger dogs and then one for smaller dogs. Overall, I would give it a 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. There's nothing bad you can say about it.
No. We went inside. We had dinner at the Hardee's, and well, Frank had Hardee's. I had the Middle Eastern bowl.
Naf, I think.
Yeah, naf, and that was very good. So kind of a all-in-one. We'll come over and get some diesel this morning before we hook back up. We chose last night to go ahead and unhook just so that we could level a little bit better, but I mean, looking at us, we look like we're still hooked up almost.
And it's all about setting expectations.
Oh yeah.
You know, even with campgrounds, if you know what you're getting when you reserve it, you know, just have your expectations, because actually they exceeded my expectations. I thought it would be a little more crowded. I thought it would be a little more noisy.
Yeah, I thought it would be more noisy for sure.
If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a like and give us a subscribe. We'd love to have you along our journeys, whether it be in the kitchen or on the road. Until next time,
Bye, y'all.